properties of multiples, children. First one, every number is multiple of 1. Every number is multiple of itself only, and 0 is multiple of every number. So every multiple of a whole number is either greater or equal to the number. So you can write how many there are. First 3 multiples of 5 or first 5 multiples of 4. You can write tables. You know the numbers, no? You can write every multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number itself, children. See, 7 into 8 is equal to how much, children? 56. And 8 into 7 is how much, children? 8 sevens are 56 or 7 eights are 56. Okay. Since 7 eights are 56, that is 56 is multiple of both 7 and 8. Okay. 56 is divided by 8 means 56 divided by 8 means 8 sevens are 56, or 56 divided by 7 is 7 eights are 56. Okay, children. So you can take any number, not only 7 and 8, 56, you can take 5 into 4. 5 4 is how much? 20. So 20 is divided by 5 is how much, children? 4. And 20 is divided by 4 is how much, children? 5. Okay, 5 4s are 20 or 4 5s are 20. See, factors. So factors means 3, I will take any number. Okay. 5 and 6 I will take. 5 into 6 is how much, children? 30. So we say that 30 is there. Okay. Here they given, see, okay, page number 53. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. We say that 18 is an 3 and 6 is a factor of 18. So 18 will go from both 3. Okay, 3 6 are 18, we know that. So 3 6 are 18 or 6 3s are 18. So we say that 3 and 6 are the factors of 18. So it means that 18 is divided exactly by both. So here 5 and 6. 5 and 6 are a factor of 5 and 6 are factor of what? 30. That is what 30 is divided by both 5 and 6. We know that 5 6 are 30 or 6 5s are 30. See. 30 is divided by 6 is equal to 5. Okay, it is divisible. So we can find all the factors of 18. So we have to find the factors of 18. They will ask questions. Okay. Any number they can ask. Find the factors of 30 or 18. So find the factors of all the factors, children. Find all the factors of 12. Okay. See here. 1 12s are 12. Next I will take 2 table. 2 6s are 12. Next 3. 3 4s are 12. Next 4 is there. Next I will take 5. 5 is there 12? No. Next I will take 6. 2 6 are here only is there no. 2 6 are 6 2s are 12. Next 7 8 9 10 11 12 is there. So factors of 12 is what, children? All the factors of 12 is 1 2 3 4 6 12. 1 2 3 4 6 12. See, 1 2 3 4 6 12. You know that 1 12s are 12. So 1 and 12 is factor. 2 6 are 12 or 6 2s are 12. So 2 and 6 is there. 3 4s are 12 or 4 3s are 12. Like that you have to find the factors of all the factors of 18. You have to find all the factors of 18. So in which, what are the tables that 18 will go? 1 18s are 18. Okay. 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18. From 4 4s are 16, but we want 18. It's not possible. Next 5, no. 6 6 3s are 18. 7 2s are 14. It will not go. 8 2s are 16. 9 2s are 18. 10 11 12, no. 18, children. So factors of 18 means what are the numbers? 1 2 3 6 9 18. So find the factors of 18 means you have to find that what are the tables it will be divided. Okay. So in activity 3 is like children find all the factors given numbers. So you can find for 16 all the factors of 16. So what table? See in working column I do. 1 16 is a 16. 2 8s are 16. From 3 it will go? No. 4 4s are 16. 5 6 7 8. 8 2s are 16. 9 10 it will not go. 11 12 13 14 15 not. 16 ones are 16. So factors of 16 what? 1 2 4 8 16 children. All the factors of 16 is what? 1 2 4 8 and 16. So in activity 3 you have to find all the factors of given numbers. What are the tables you will see? I will take 40. 140 is a 40. Next 220 is a 40. Next it will go from 3. No. Because 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 it will not give. Next 4. 5 4. 4 tens are 40. Next 5. 5 eights are 40. From 6. No. 7. 8. 8 fives are 40. 9. 10. 10 fours are 40. 11. No children. 12. 13. 14. No. 16. It will not go. 17. So next is 40 only. Okay. So factors of 40 means what are the tables it will go, you have to write here. Okay children. Activity 3 children. Activity 3 that no such find all the factors of the following given number. Okay. So I will take 24. All the factors of 24 what? 1. Okay. Next 2 it will go. 3 8s are. 4 4 6 are. 5 it will not go. 6 6 4s are. 7 also it will not go. 8. 8 3s are 24. 12 9 10 it will not go. 12 2s are. 13 also it will not go. 14 14 2s are it will not go. 15 16 17 it will not go. 18 19 it will not go children. So I will take as a 24 only. Okay. So the factors of all the factors of 24 is 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24. Now you can take as an 35. So in 1 it will go, 2 it will not go, 3 also it will not go, 4 no, 5 5 7s are 35, 8 6 7 7 5s are 8 it will not go, 9 also, 10 11 also not, 12 also is not there, 15 also not there, 16 17 it will be 34, 18 36, 19 also not there, then 35 only. Okay, these are the factors of 35, 1 5 7 and 35. Now second main, state whether the first number is a factor of the second main. Second main is what? First one is 4 and 16 is given. They are asking state whether the first number is a factor of the second or not. So it is a factor. 4 is a factor of 16. Yes. First number is a factor of the second number. Yes. First number is a factor of second number. Okay. See, first number is 4, second number is 16. So 4 4s are 16. So 4 is a factor of 16. First number is a factor of the second number. Second one children, 3 and 27. So you know that first number is 3, second number is 27. So 3 9s are 27. So 3 is a factor of 27. Yes, first number is a factor of second number. S. First number is a factor of second number. Okay, children. Next, third one. 7 and 45. See, 7 is first number, 45 is the second number. 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. But here 45 is there. So it is not a factor. Okay. 7 is the first number is not a factor of second number. No. First number is not a factor of second number, children. Okay, is not a factor of second number. So next is 11 and 20. 11 and 20. You know that first number is 11. 11 2s are 22, but here 20 is there. So first number is not a factor of the second number. Okay, 11 is not a factor of 20. Okay, children. Next one we can go. See, third one, children, answer the following. Third one is what? Answer the following. First question is what? 0 is a factor of 35. 0 is a factor of 35? No. Second one. Is 8 a factor of 188? So from 8 you divide 188, it will, see 8 2s are 16. 2, take down 8 now. Okay. 28 will go, 8 2s are 6, 8 3s are 24. So 8 is a factor of 188? No. Third one. 5 is a factor of 1540? Yes. See. Because last number is 0 is there, no, last digit is 0 or ones place is 0 means it is divisible by 5. See, 5 3s are 15. Take 4 down. Put here 0, take this 0 down. 5 8s are 40. So it is S. Fourth one is 1 a factor of 4, 1 2. Yes. 1 is a factor of every number. So yes. Okay, children. Now fourth main. See, that is also answer the following. Write the first 4 multiples of 12. See, write the first 4 multiples of which table? 12 table. So write 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. Okay, children. So first 4 multiples of 12 means 12, 24, 36 and 48, children. So next is what? Write the first 5 multiples of 9. 9 table, first 5 multiples. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. This is the first 5 multiples of 9. Next, third question is what? Write the first 3 multiples of 14. First 3 multiples of 14. So 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are what, children? 28. 14 threes are, see, 14 threes are 3 fours are 12. 1 carry, 3 ones are 3 1 4. 42. Okay. Next, what they are asking? First 3 multiples of 14. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. Next, fourth question. Write the fourth multiple of 15. They are asking write the fourth multiple of 15. So in working column we can do that. 15 into 4. Fourth multiple of 15. So 4 5s are 22 carry. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 is 60. Fourth multiple of 15 is what? 60. Next, write the ninth multiple of 30. Write the ninth multiple of 30. So you know that 30 into 9. So 9 zeros are 0, 9 threes are 27. 270. Ninth multiple of 30 is 270. 0. Okay. Next